Anybody's getting it? It takes some time because of cache and so many things. See, yes, it provides more. If my site come, yeah, I am getting it because of my cache problem. Okay, sometimes it is over smart. That is why I said it should definitely work, but it is taking from some browser cache and something. So I will give demgame.com. I hope you will get it. Everybody should get it. Everybody is getting it. First, I think my system having some problem. Yes, everybody is getting it. That is no problem. Now you guys will be my eyes and all. Okay. So I will implement a rule here, guys. Okay. Like you see in your real life. Let me show you fast. Go to while rounding it, are you getting that some kind of Cloudflare and this is secured or human something you are getting it? Security, go to WAF. Let me create a rule. Create a rule. Rule name my rule. URI path. Wildcard. Let me give it star. Deploy. Sorry. Uh, Interactive challenge. You can give lot of challenges. Okay. If you pay, you can get lot of challenges. Image challenge, type some captcha, everything will give you. Now, can you tell me, refresh and tell me? I don't know why. Uh, I think my setting, I have blocked something. Okay. Now, you guys tell me what you are getting. Are you getting, before that content is loaded, are you getting some kind of security? Yes, getting it right. Very good. You are human, verified. So you will see this in many places. From now, start observing it. Okay. I have just given you an overview of CloudFront. CloudFront is again a very big topic. Okay, it's not that, but since you have done it, you can easily correlate it. Same thing it will do. It will give you everything faster. Okay, edge location, security, WAF. If you pay him now, they will give you lot of managed services. Lot of rules they will give you. Bots. Okay, I can increase bot fight mode, DDoS, shield, a lot of things it will give you. Okay, fine. Okay, I don't want to take more of time. I wanted to show you Azure also, but not possible right now. Now I will take any doubt you have. Guys, start asking doubts. Okay, Ram Mehta. Hope you guys have got some good understanding. Okay, that is what my aim was. Okay, in the short amount of time, I have tried to give you a very good understanding. Ram, I have unmuted you.
Yeah, hi, Abhi. So,
Yeah,
how does this Cloudflare load balancer will check whether the application is healthy or not? So, you told
load balancer
talk
will
some
have a
details.
domain name, right?
Yes.
Can you give your domain name? How you will give domain name? You will give here by giving records.
Yeah.
I told you, right? If you want to give one domain name, wait. This one right here. Go to DNS, go to record. In record, you have most options. Any record you can create. Here, instead of A type record, give C name. Give here what? www. Example. Give your Route 53 or load balancer.
Mm.
Understood? Now, load
Yeah.
balancer will do the job. Inside that,
Load
have 10
balancer.
servers with load balancer. Doesn't matter.
Oh, got it. Yeah.
Anything you can do it. Cloudflare is giving you the record. Same thing you are doing in Route 53 also. You have in Route
Same. Yeah.
53, you are creating records. I don't have time to teach you all of these things, but yeah, hope you have
Yeah.
some idea on that.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Ram has Shrikant wanted to ask something. Yeah, Shrikant.
Sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
Shrikant, please tell me.
Sir, AWS Cloud Front mostly used for static contents, not sir. Actually, some dynamic contents are there, fetching data, latest database entries and all. So,
It doesn't matter. See, there is a three-tier architecture. Okay. So, do is any user going to connect directly to the backend or they connect to your database? No. How the thing work is people connect to the front end, user access the front end. Like you access Amazon, right? What you do? You go sign in, you give some name, click on continue. What happens? Now you call the backend. Yes. Now the front end will call the backend code. And the backend code, which is in Java, Python, whatever you want, will access your DB. Okay. So user will always access front end, but the request will go, front end will send the request to backend will access DB, DB will come here, it will verify username or password, keep it yes, forward. Okay. It is not for any static website only. Okay. You give your static website available here. You can give anything. You can give load balancers. Give front end load balancer, then have internal load balancer, which will connect to the backend, and it will connect to DB. DB will have read replicas. Okay. Clear? Are we clear? Shrikant, your hand is up. I have asked to unmute you. If you want to speak me, tell me.
hello,
Yeah.
sir. Actually, that is like a cache. The front applications, some pages are stored in cache, right? But
Yes.
as front-end application doesn't deploy any changes, only the records are updated in backend, right?
Yes.
So in that case, how that cache knows the record are updated and the updated page needs to send to user
I did right in
next time.
invalidations.
Yes, but uh, okay, fine. Thank you. Yes, I understand.
Okay. Hope
So means
everybody of you
while
had a good.
back end also
Yes.
updated, then also need to invalidate and if front end
Yes.
also update.
Anything, your GitHub repository gets updated, any action you can put it. Your server gets updated, put it here.
Yes, understand.
Okay. Hope you guys had a good understanding and we'll come up with different workshops. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to start, I think this is starting for system designs. Next week, mostly I'll bring GitHub actions. Okay. How to create a CI/CD using GitHub actions, solid principles. I have already taken one. So I will take one more session in solid principles, the remaining part. And then next week, mostly we'll have GitHub actions, which is quite in demand right now. Okay. Okay. Hope you guys had a good understanding. That is what I'm hoping for. Okay. So, yeah, I have got everybody's response. I hope I have clarified everybody's doubt. Okay. Yes, Raki.
Yeah, so just wanted to check at what time this class is getting started, system design.
Evening 7 o'clock.
Okay,
Morning
thank you.
also one time we are going to start, but yeah, mostly right now evening only.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
High level, low level. Yes, everything in that order.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes, Rakesh.
Yeah. So actually, supposing if there any database and there is a invalidated cache, okay, already there, and that is for the 24. But generally in the set you said that TTL for 24 hours, right? So then in that situation, if any changes happen in the database, then how it will come to the UI? Invalidate is set is for 24 hours.
You have to set it for DB also. Wherever you want to set it, you can set it. That if we change here, please refresh the TTL. Change here, please refresh the TTL. But if it is not that important, you want to refresh it, don't refresh it.
Yeah.
You have to define it yourself. Where you want to refresh your cache, when you want to refresh your cache. You have the control.
But if you will refresh the cache, because what happens, suppose our application is dynamic, right? And don't know like when the data is being uploaded, like if any user can update at any point of the time.
So
Then
any change happen to DB, you run the invalidation. Like how I have done here, right? For S3. Any update has happened, automatically it got triggered. I didn't touch it anything manually.
okay. So in that situation, you should also have the lambda, correct? Just to
Yes. Yes.
okay. Okay, sir. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
So what is going to cover in the system design, sir? Actually, what is the I am the backend developer, right? So
Yeah. So
how,
for you, system design is one of the like I'll tell you how the interview goes now. Okay.
okay.
If you want to go for like in another many service-based company or the system designs, but the first round the product-based company is now hacker rank or lead code. Okay. You need to solve it out. Then second round interview is generally going to be your system designs and solid principles. Okay. They will ask on a proper level how what is the architecture of your project and what all the design principles you have used. If I use this, what will happen? Including there are a lot of design patterns like builder pattern, creator pattern, behavioral pattern. In microservices, you have saga pattern. Okay, how you do cache, how you do database shredding, how you do database indexing, how you can make a database faster, when you will load balance, okay, why network you will use, what kind of things you will use, everything will be covered in that particular interviews that is happening. Okay, now these guys have made it literally mandatory for you. If you want to switch to a product, please explain me your design principles. Okay,
Mostly we are going to cover the design pattern, right?
not only design pattern. I think I have it. No. It's not about only design pattern. Whose concept? Solid principles. Design pattern is definitely there. Then design problems. Then LLD we will see of all this. UML diagram, high level, distributed system, caching, microservices, queue, auth, DNS, networking.
We'll also cover the coding part, also one is the critical part, right? Coding
Yeah, we will see
application.
also, right? But it's mostly about understanding first and then coding it.
Okay.
You need to understand the high level architect. In high level, there is no coding. They will give you a problem statement. This is the high level design. What is the problem here? Tell me. Will you able to tell? Is it possible?
No, no.
They will ask you database shredding. When you do, will you tell database shredding if you don't know? See, CDN is also one of the topic. I will go. Muhammad has asked me. Muhammad Aslam, I think, right?
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad. Tell me.
Sorry, Abhijit. Uh, my question was regarding system design only. Whether these system design classes are enrolled separately or we will have similar workshop.
No, no. It's a proper. It's a very difficult topic. Okay, and it takes time to understand.
So how do we
But
have access to these classes? Oh,
you can go and enroll it. Okay.
okay.
Go to Asok IT website and enroll it. And is there, they will add you to WhatsApp group and they will share you also. Registered in the workshops, your correct number
So
or
these
email ID.
classes are available for freely or we need to,
No,
these
it's
are
a
the
paid
paid?
classes. It's a proper 1.5 to 2 months class.
Oh, okay,
Around two
okay.
months it will take.
Okay, okay.
System things. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.
When I used to teach in Scalar, we used to charge it very high, but I think Ashok sir is not going to charge that much.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if anybody can come to system design, you will have a demo for 3-4 days. Okay. From next week, I'm going to start some. I'll take GitHub Action workshop, and then already 7 o'clock. I'm on GCP. I think Wednesday we are starting. Next week we are starting only DevOps. Only DevOps from 8 o'clock. Okay. So just for your information, whoever is interested, you can come up, or else you have a lot of options available. Okay. Okay. No more hands up. Hope you have liked the session. We'll meet again with another workshop. Take care, guys. Thank you, everybody.